Okay, y'all, so I decided that I'm gonna show you guys a behind the scene video of, you know, what's behind the camera.
Just show the straw when we're ballin'. 20 of the spies are calling. When we let it slide, as you cool.
So we're in my bedroom. As y'all can see, my daughter's crib over there, and I'm just in a corner in our bedroom with a little small desk, as y'all can see, and that's my chair that I sit on while recording. This is my product stand, so I have my boxes, shipping labels, the binders, packing supplies, envelopes, all type of stuff over there. And then this is my little desk where I have my pink thingy and, you know, just random stuff under there. And then that's where my binders are. And this is the desk that I used to record on. And I have a table tripod. See? Well, not table. Well, yes, a desk tripod that is basically clamped onto my desk. And this pink thing is a desk cover that I got on Amazon. And I got this desk from Target. Y'all, it was like $40 from Target. And this is my camera. I'm using a Canon EOS RP camera, and I'm using the lens that comes with the camera to do this type of work. And then this is my 800D RGB light. This I got on Amazon. This actually came in a pack of 3, but I only use one when I'm recording my videos for y'all. Yeah, and then this is my little cart that has all my shipping supplies. What happened, baby? It's my daughter. What's wrong? What's wrong? Huh? What is it? You want to get out? Yeah, we're literally in my bedroom. That's why you be hearing my boyfriend right there asleep. And that's why sometimes you guys be hearing my daughter. Look at these socks. Girl, take these socks off. I normally put these socks on her when she's on the floor. But yeah, I'm literally right over here in the corner. This is where I record all my videos. I just wanted to show y'all a behind the scenes and let you guys know that you don't need much to get started. Like, you can literally start it wherever, your little bedroom, whatever. Just make a little setup and start. But this is where I work. This is where I record. When I'm ready, I just turn my camera on and I just angle it the way I want to, light my candle, and I start. So this is where I'm at, y'all. Yep. This me. So as y'all can see, these are the binders. The binders are down here. When y'all place an order, I just grab a binder, grab a package, get on the top, grab tape, stickers, whatever, and just print y'all labels out. But yeah, this is my little work corner. Well, my recording corner. But whenever I'm packing orders, I pack those, or I make, like when I'm customizing orders, I make those in my living room around my dining room table because I have more space. I feel like it's too tight in here to do that, so I don't do that there. But yeah, this is my little setup, and this is where I record. Count for mommy. Count for mommy. 1. Show mommy 1. 1. 1. Come on. Show mommy 1. 2. What comes after 2? Say 3. 3. Guys, she a trip. Look at her. That hair need to come down. That's a Haitian hair texture. Look at her.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.